Oh yeah, y'all. Look at what me and Mom is eating tonight. Date night. We got the ahi, spicy shrimp, crab cake as the appetizers. And got a nice bottle of wine. Mom over there looking all good. What up? Oh yeah, look at that crab cake.
Actually got some tuna. So we about to go ahead and dig in, y'all.
We about to dig in. We'll see y'all when the other food come out. All right, y'all. Y'all see what's left? We demolished it. So good, wasn't it, Mom?
This tuna actually was really good, and I don't even like tuna. Like tuna from the can, I don't like. So right here, the fresh tuna, this was so bomb.
Yes, it was.
Yeah. This shrimp right here was delicious too, and all these little garnishments on it, like the
the little
onions and the peppers,
the palate cleansers,
cilantro, and then the crab cakes with the lemon juice.
Oh my God,
Yeah,
so
everything
good.
is good so far.
All right. Oh, we didn't even toast. We'll be back when our main dishes come out. All right, y'all. Now here go the main dish. I got that Chilean crusted sea bass. Oh my goodness, y'all see that? Let me get y'all in close. Get y'all in close. Y'all see that? See that? Oh, that thing just breaking apart. Y'all see that? I barely touched it, y'all. It's on a bed of spinach. My plate is like 500 degrees, so don't touch. Got the good old asparagus with the hollandaise sauce. Oh. We got the good old sweet potatoes. And look, y'all seen us make this before, because we made this at restaurants at home, and it was really good. And this is Mom's. She didn't know it was going to be a whole crab cake. She just thought it was going to be the sauce.
Yeah, because I got because Ruth Chris is known for the stuffed chicken breast. But it's so funny because we never get chicken when we go
never.
out, y'all.
When we go to restaurants, we never order chicken.
But if you come here all the time, I gotta try one of the popular dishes. So tonight, I got this sauce to go on top of the chicken, but I didn't realize it's a whole crab cake.
Yeah, it's a whole crab cake to the side.
The sauce. So it's good.
So we're gonna go ahead and sample this good old food, and then we're gonna see y'all in a second. Yeah. Alright, family. Y'all see how we tore it up. I can't eat it all. Plus, I'm saving some for the kids. Because, we had all those appetizers and that bread. But, man, let me let y'all take a look at it. You see how juicy that is? Look at how juicy that is, y'all. Goodness gracious. Mom over there tearing her chicken up.
Yeah, and it's nice and juicy. And all the little filling right here. Nice little lemony, buttery flavoring. So I'm okay with this. Like I said, we don't order chicken when we go out, but this was a nice chicken dish.
Because we don't order chicken. Because chicken, like, that's how we eat in our house a lot. And plus, if you at an expensive restaurant, how much can chicken be for real? I feel like it's a waste of money when you buy chicken at expensive restaurants. I don't know. Y'all let me know how y'all feel. That was exquisite. And don't forget, oh my goodness. Don't forget, y'all, check that video out. But yeah, as y'all can see, we put a small dent in it. But I don't want to feel overstuffed and feel uncomfortable. So we're gonna call it a night, because I'm done. How about you, Mama?
Yeah, I'm getting there, but I'll do a little dad simple.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, this was good, John. Let me get one more bite.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna do one more bite, then I'm done, y'all. But we'll see y'all on the next one. This has been Date Night with Mom and Dad. Thanks for rolling with the fam. Yep. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
See y'all later.